Hi, welcome back another tutorial on demo content import of oMart Organic Shop WooCommerce theme. Firstly, go to the appears of your dashboard, theme, add new theme to upload theme. For choosing file, provide the exact zip file of oMart Organic Shop WooCommerce theme. You will get it while you purchasing this. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Instantly, you will get a bunch of recreate plugins to begin installing plugins. Now select all to install and then apply. While you are done, go to return to recreate plugins installer and then again select all of them to activate. Now click on apply. Next, return to the dashboard, appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface of it. Now you will get two types of import: auto import, manual import. You can choose any one of it. Click on import demo and then click on continue and import. Keep patience a few seconds to complete your import. After finishing, click on visit site. oMart is a premium organic store WooCommerce theme designed to help you to create an online store for organic products. It provides two types of pre-designed homepage templates that are easily customizable to reflect your brand identity. These layouts are created to showcase your products effectively with clean and modern design that emphasize organic and natural aesthetics. WooCommerce integration, responsive design, Elementor page builder compatibility, one-click demo import, advanced typography, and color options are the top-notch features of it. Thank you for watching.